Waves of stars and drifting light, planets dance in endless night, a ship afloat in space unknown, through swirling currents all alone. The winds are a whisper, soft yet bold, telling tales of worlds untold. Lines like rivers, flowing free, mark the paths of destiny. Letters weave a cryptic song, a language lost, yet never gone. Galaxies pulse with silent grace, time dissolves in this embrace. Sailing onwards past the past, through the void, so deep, so vast. No horizon, yet we roam the universe, our endless song.